Tripping when I'm off in that boy, whipping in the kitchen all night and all day. Y'all can get down if you're trying to get paid. Water whipping, boy, I'm water whipping in the kitchen. Water whip, water whip, water whipping in the kitchen. What up, though? This is Pen and Buds, and I'm about to show y'all how we do the pinto beans and the ham hocks and the booties. And I'm just bullshit. Started again. We about to do these beans. I got them beans soaking right now. As you can see, them beans is soaking. What up, though? This is Pen and Buds, and I'm about to show y'all how we get down in the kitchen with these pinto beans. We're gonna be doing some smoked turkey legs. We got all these fresh vegetables. We got some fresh garlic, onions, and bell pepper. We got the beans over here soaking. And here go the smoked turkey legs. As you can see, all the ingredients that we're getting ready to put off in there. We about to get down. It's about to be good. It's cold outside, so you might as well get something that's gonna warm your belly. Yeah, we're about to do some little rough chops. Nothing major, just something simple. And then you want to cut them boys in half like that, because you want everything to be bite-sized. Do a real simple rough chop on this onion. You don't never want to act right when you're trying to record.
That was
this
an
your
epic
face.
fail.
Why would it want to bounce out like that? Doing some garlic. Look at these good, nice, thick garlics. Look real nice, huh? Yeah, you gotta mince them bad boys, you feel me? Make sure they got a nice little small little bits. There we go. Alright, now I'm about to start this thing off. We got these smoked turkey legs going. They boiling right now. Getting that good flavor all through that broth. Alright, what up though, man? We about to start this thing off with the pinto beans and the smoked turkey. All the veggies, bell peppers, onions, garlic, and celery. Add all that in there. And I'll be right back with y'all. Here is my spice blend that I'm putting into my beans. This is a mixture of a whole bunch of different spices. Look at what I got here. I put some pepper. You don't add no salt. I didn't add no salt yet, but I add paprika, oregano, garlic, red pepper flakes, onion powder, chili powder, the good kind, whole cloves, coriander, and some bay leaves. These are going in a few minutes. But this is the mixture right here. This together looks like. Alright, now at this point, we got these turkey legs boiling, and I got all the veggies up in there. Now it's time to add the beans in there. Go ahead and mix them in. It's about to get on. Alright, now it's time to put them seasonings off in that thing, man. Alright, here we go. Mix that off in there like that. There we go. Now it's time to put some of that salt in it. It's been cooking for about 45 minutes to an hour, and it's coming together very well. Now it's time to add the salt. Smoked salt. There we go. Yeah, we almost there. We almost there. Alright now, them pinto beans and them turkey legs is done. Look at that there. Ooh wee! I told y'all, man. Look at them beans. That's what you want right there. Man, them beans around this time of the year is be cold outside. And like your grandma used to do, she get a big old pot like this and feed all the children, and everybody be all right. That's what you want right there.